Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can upload a CSV file in Databricks. So the first thing that you want to do is to actually navigate through your account dashboard. From here, navigate through the catalog, which is going to be this one. And of course, you could just click on the create button, click on add data. And basically from here, we can upload our data the way we want to. So I'll just click on the upload files to a volume, select browse, select files. And of course, from here, you could just select the file that you want to upload onto your Databrick. And basically from there, you are good to go. Now, basically, you just have to set the CSV file accordingly, but basically, that's how easy it is to do. Once again, just head over to compute, click add data, and then from there, you are good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.